This screencast is lesson number 4, adding files to an assignment in Google Classroom. Some teachers aren't sure when to select announcement or assignment or question within Google Classroom. Always try to remember that when selecting from the share options, if you want some sort of product from your students, then you will want to select assignment. Let's say you are already having most of your documents saved to your computer, or maybe you have a lot of files in your Google Drive. You can upload any of these files directly into your classroom for any assignment. So now that you have learned how to create and post an assignment to the class stream, we will look at adding various attachments to it before posting it. Many times you will want to attach documents, links, or videos to content for students to have access to. This screencast will show you how to do this. After you navigate to classroom.google.com, you will come to this page with all your classrooms. Let's click to open the classroom that you want to post an assignment. Make sure that you are on the Stream tab before uploading or making any type of content to your classroom. So, because we want to make an assignment, we're going down here to the bottom right hand corner to the plus icon, and we are going to click Create Assignment. Now let's make our assignment. Let's say we wanted to use this assignment for our bell work, and let's go ahead and make our assignment. Okay, so that's my assignment, that they're going to have a discussion about the picture that I'm going to attach. So at this point, I don't want to have any further instructions. That's pretty self-explanatory. But the first one that we're going to do is click on the paperclip, because there is an attachment that's on my teacher computer. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to be on my desktop. So I would want to click this button and go to my desktop, and my folder is Social Studies, and I have a picture of the Constitution. Put that in there, and there it is, and then I'm going to upload it by clicking the upload button. And there is my attachment. Students are just going to be able to view this file, so we're going to just leave it at that. It's just an image file. And I have first period social studies open, but I also want us to go to second period social studies. So I'm going to select both classrooms in this instance, and I want to assign this immediately. And so I will go ahead and click Assign. It takes just a second, and once that is put on the stream, you will notice that you have a little clipboard that shows that that's an icon for assignment, and we have our assignment here along with the picture that I attached. Students will be able to click on that, and as soon as we see that students are opening it, it will show here once they turn that in, if there's something to turn in. And so that's the first attachment. So the next thing we're going to do is post an assignment that will have an attachment from Google Drive. So we're going to click the plus icon and add another assignment, and I'm going to pull something from Google Drive that is just their vocabulary words. vocabulary words. So they're going to define their words. I've just left it at tomorrow. You remember you can select a different day when that is supposed to be due. And this time we're going to click Google Drive. Now remember, the thing about Google Drive, you need to make sure you know what folder it is that you're wanting to pull the attachments from. And I have labeled it Social Studies. And this is my Google Docs, the 3 branches of government that I want them to define, and then I will click the Add button to actually place it inside the assignment, and there you can see that it did successfully attach. Now this is what's important. You want to make sure that you selected the right option here. Right at this point, students would only be able to view this, but I actually want them to turn in the Google Docs with the words defined. Now if we just click on students can edit the file, they'll all edit the same document. I want each individual child to have a copy with their name on it, and it will be turned into me. So that's the one we want to select to make a copy for each student. This will be a very cool tool if you ever begin using this, because it will put their name on the top. It will save into their Google Drive. It will put a copy in your Google Drive once they turn it in. It's just a wonderful feature that Classroom offers. So that's to make a copy for each student. And then I will go ahead and click the Assign button to post it to our class stream. And we have that type of attachment from our Google Drive. The next attachment that we will go over is the video link option. So let's go ahead and click the plus sign and add another assignment. This time we want the students to view a video. So the assignment will read, watch this video called, we'll say, Where the Money Goes. Okay, and that's all I wanted to do. I'm just needing them to do that, by tomorrow. So we will click the YouTube link icon right here, and it's going to wait for you to put a URL link here. Now you can do a search here for it within this classroom search, which is something that's okay to do, but it's very helpful sometimes to just go ahead and grab it from YouTube. So we're going to go to YouTube in another tab, and we are searching for Where the Money Goes, and it's a Schoolhouse Rock video. And if that's my video right there, then we will go down to the share arrow, and we have this URL that's highlighted blue. You're going to copy it, and then you can navigate back to your classroom. And you can search it here, or you can click on this URL tab, and because that's your direct link, and there your video is, and we will click Add, and we're just going to have it go to first period and assign that to our class stream, and there you go. The last option for attaching material to an assignment is the link attachment. So let's go down to our plus icon and click Create Assignment. This is when you want students to navigate to a certain website. Maybe they need to view it before doing an assignment, or maybe that's something you want to attach an assignment to. So we're going to make this assignment. Type in visit website before test on Friday. So we are going to click this last option, which is to paste or enter in a link. I have my website saved in a tab already, which is helpful. You could just do a Google search and go to that website of your choice. And there's my URL that I want to grab. So I would, if you're on a PC, right click copy, or Mac, Command C to copy that URL up there. Go back to Classroom, paste it directly into there, and now you want to click the Add button, and that shows that we've got it in there. Now this is where you could also add an additional attachment. Maybe there's something from your drive, like a Google Docs, that would have them answer questions about that website that they went to. That's just completely up to you as far as how much more you want to add. And then go ahead and post that to our stream. And there you see we have our little website. It is attached, and that is what the students will be able to click and go straight to that. No more typing in long URL addresses for the students. So these are the 4 ways that you can add files to your assignments.